And it bounce for the shot block. Baker, Rod, no good, rebound. Greco, left baseline for that Beason. Beason now drives, pass by Lala, bottle fake, and play for the Panganaba. The rebound. Pineda na ngayon, ang tatoy ng bola, intercepted ng bola, intercepted na naman, para sa likod. Okay, Beason dribble the ball, Beason Minama, pass, get Baron, launches a three, naked, rebound, bottle. Bottle now, 10 seconds to shoot, pass, Giancarlo, good, 4-0. Pass sa ilalim, De La Cruz, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass, Pineda. Drexel, Pineda now, 3 minutes exactly. Fake, drives, pass sa ilalim, jump side, and player naked. Rebound battle, pass to Mr. Likot. Likot na ngayon, Likot nagpapadali. Likot drives, pass sa ilalim, the pass to Mr. Carlos, naked. Rebound battle, and player naked again, rebound na walang bola. De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Mr. Pineda. Pineda now, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Good. Rebound para Mr. Battle. Battle now, pass to Mr. Beason. Josh Beason now setting the play, pass to Ilalet. Estado Malakas and Barren, pass and player na din, rebound. Okay, from lead, 30 seconds, time remaining. To this one, drives with a closure shot, is good. 20 seconds, shot clock is dead, wait for the buzzer. 15 seconds. Pineda down to 10 seconds. Take 8 seconds, drive, and player. Early foul na tayo. Jersey number 25, first president foul.